What
क्या नाम है
exactly?
आपका? हाय.
Hi, myself Chandar Murgai.
चंदर मुर्गे.
Yeah.
माय नेम इज अंकित.
Ankit.
गुप्ता.
Wow.
जी.
Great.
I felt थोड़ा सा I saw you like listening to music and bobbing your head. तो थोड़ा बुरा लग
I
रहा
was enjoying myself. Yeah.
था. मैंने बोला इंटरप्ट करूं कि नहीं
Yeah,
करूं.
I'm fond of music, so that's part of the.
We all are. He is a musician, you know.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I
That's
will
great.
send you his music.
Uh-huh.
Beatbox भी करता है. बहुत talented है ये.
Wow.
हाँ.
That's great.
I love working with musicians. बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Wonderful, wonderful. Music is a great mood elevator.
100%.
100%. It's a great thing. Even if we are, down, whenever if we feel down, also there is a music for it.
100%. You're angry, there is music for
There
it.
is music for it,
You're in
especially
love.
in our context, even in films, we see sad songs are there, lively songs are there, comedy is there, everything there is music around.
Yeah,
So it's very good. In Indian movies especially it is there. Yeah.
100%. मेरे को कहीं तो मैंने पढ़ा था कि म्यूज़िक ना म्यूज़िक से टाइम डेकोरेट करते हैं, तो समय को,
Wow.
यू नो, और जो विजुअल आर्ट होता है जैसे पेंटिंग होगी उससे स्पेस डेकोरेट करते हैं, और म्यूज़िक से हम टाइम को डेकोरेट करते हैं. तो मैं तो बहुत मानता हूँ इस बात को.
हमारा एक पुरानी कहावत चलती थी. माय फादर वंस टोल्ड मी, बोले ज़िंदगी बहुत हसीन है, हमें जीना नहीं आया, हर शय में नशा है, हमें पीना नहीं आया. समझे? तो ये म्यूज़िक का नशा है, ये अपना नशा है, किसी को खाने का नशा है, किसी को पीने का नशा है, किसी को गाने का नशा है, किसी को नशा ही है. ये आपको पॉडकास्ट का नशा है. ये बनाना, दुनिया को दिखाना, ये अपना नशा है. ये भी एक नशा है. तो नशा है तो मज़ा है, वरना ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं, काम कर रहे हैं, नौकरी कर रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं पगार लेने के लिए, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है.
मुझे तो लोगों से, नए नए लोगों से बात करना, उनका नया पर्सपेक्टिव समझना
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
बहुत
बहुत
अच्छा
अच्छे,
लगता है.
बहुत अच्छे.
कुछ ना कुछ हर इंसान से मुझे लगता है आप सीख सकते हो, भले वो 2 साल का हो.
Of course, child is the father of man. So that's okay, great. सीखना तो होता ही है. ता जिंदगी आदमी सीखता ही रहता है. जब तक दम है तब तक सीखना है. Every day we are learning something or the other. Every moment we are learning something or the other. Whether we retain it or not, that's a different matter.
राइट.
Whether we apply it or not is another matter again. So that's the way it is.
ओल्ड एज के साथ मुझे लगता है द ओल्डर यू गेट, थोड़ा सीखने का कम होता रहता है. मतलब किड्स लर्न ऑल द टाइम, और कई बार मतलब मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को देखता हूँ या दूसरे ओल्डर जनरेशन के लोगों को देखता हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है सब के सब ना रेडी नहीं है सीखने के लिए. बहुत एक छोटा सा परसेंटेज है.
नहीं, वो क्या है कि कुछ उम्र के बाद में ना सिखाने का ज़्यादा शौक हो जाता है.
हाँ.
स्पेशली योर चिल्ड्रन एंड दे आर नॉट रेडी टू लिसन, सो यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू. तो ज़बरदस्ती बताते हैं और कुछ नहीं है. वो चिढ़ते हैं कि क्या यार अभी बोलता है, चलो बोलने दो. दैट द वे इट इज, दैट द वर्ल्ड गोज अराउंड दैट वे. दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. या we go through it, our parents went through it, grandparents went through it, now you will go through it when your time comes. That's the way it should be.
The older I get, ऐसे लगता है थोड़ा थोड़ा ना arrogance आ रहा है, उसको थोड़ा
No, it's not arrogance. It is not arrogance. I wouldn't call it arrogance. It's just, a maturity, but with a little bit of, a tadka of immaturity. So that mix, sometimes plays a game.
Nice, I like how you said it. तड़का of immaturity.
तो वो है, तो मैच्योर तो होता है आदमी, ऐसी बात नहीं है. एरोगेंस नहीं होता है. इट इज़ नॉट एरोगेंस. इट इज़ समथिंग दैट यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड यू वांट, स्पेशली योर किड्स और द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन नॉट टू फेस दैट सेम प्रॉब्लम. सो इट इज़ मोर ऑफ अ प्रोटेक्टिव थिंग rather than the arrogance or trying to stop them from something. It is not actually controlling them, but trying to warn them or show them, oh, I've gone through it, you don't go through it. It's something of that kind, more of that. At least that is what I believe.
I understand. It's a good way to look at it. आपके लिए ऐसा क्या लेसन है जो आप चाहते हो आपके बच्चे सीखें, जो आपने शायद गलती की हो, जो आप चाहते
यही
हो?
गलतियाँ की हैं, जिंदगी भर गलतियाँ, अभी तक रोज करता हूँ. There is no day without a mistake, and my wife points it out. So even my kids at times they say, "What is this, man? Come on." So चलता है. That's part of the game. It's enjoyable. I mean, we can laugh it off. It is good.
Yeah.
If we cannot laugh it off, sad. Sorry. That's the way life is. At least that is the way I look at it. That's how we should be. till the last moment we have to just enjoy.
Hmm.
Or like they say na, sing, dance as if nobody is watching, sing as if nobody is listening. अपना मन खुश करो, बात खत्म है, बाकी सब होते रहेगा. If we do what we love, the world applauds us. Whether it is Sachin Tendulkar, he does what he loves and does it with humility, we love him. Amitabh Bachchan does his acting well, everybody loves him. So if you do whatever we love, then everybody is going to appreciate it only and love you for it. But if we try to do something that another person is doing or evaluate him or even, try to tell everybody, you do this, everybody hates you. It's very simple as that.
What do you love in this world?
Practically everything.
Yeah. Name a few things.
I can love watching a war movie. I can romantic movie or a sad movie. I mean all emotions. Basically, it is all emotions.
Yeah.
So when we watch emotions in movies or in music or everything, we love it. Likewise in life, there are ups and downs. So if I can learn something from the down, very good. But if I can crib about it, that is wasted time. That's what I think.
I get what you're saying.
So it's something like that. Not very easy to clearly. Yes, what are you asking? Go ahead.
No, please continue. I will scratch my head.
Acha. I mean, that's the way I look at it.
You either win or you learn something. There is no loss.
There is no loss. There is never a loss. We never came with anything. I mean, we didn't. I think human beings are the only creatures who take a long time to even stand up or sit down. Every animal gets up and starts running. The moment they are born.
हम तो सोचने के पहले भी 10 बारी उठने के पहले भी 10 बारी सोचते हैं
नहीं, as a child, if a human
like
child,
that, yeah.
human child takes the longest time to get on its feet or even on its, hips rather. To sit down also it takes a long time. But you take an animal, whether it is a cat, dog, any animal for that matter, they have to survive. They have to stand on their feet instantly. So that's the difference is there. Depends. You can enjoy that also.
Yeah.
Everything is beautiful. This place has become so nice,
I know.
Formerly, I mean, there were no trees and all that. Nowadays, we are planting, trees. We prefer planting fruit trees now. Because in our childhood, we used to have a lot of fruit trees, even in Mumbai. And we used to climb those trees, take out the fruit, enjoy ourselves. Sometimes from a neighbor's garden also. He would come running or whatever. But then those were the days we enjoyed all that. Nowadays the kids don't know. Even flying a kite they don't know. They don't have that space. But fruit trees, that is one of the things that we need to plant a lot, I believe. And this is the right season. You should plant at least one tree on your birthday. For your birthday in this season, in the month of July. Only one fruit tree anywhere where public can come or the children can come and just enjoy it. Tomorrow's children, your children, they should climb those trees and enjoy. You will love it if you see that scene. When you see that, कि चढ़ गया, आम अभी पका नहीं है, पकड़ा, तोड़ा, नीचे फेंका, आधा खाया. You are going to love it. You are going to film it. I mean, since you all are doing this, you are going to enjoy that. So that is something that we look forward to.
That is so cool. Have you planted a few trees?
We have. I'm continuing now. Next week again we are planting a few trees.
Give me a call, I'll come. I'll join you if you don't mind.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely I'll give you a call. You give me your number.
Yeah.
I will call you. And in Vashi also, where you are staying in Vashi or anywhere?
I stay in Vashi only.
Oh, great. Then we as a Rotary Club, I'm a Rotarian.
Okay.
So we, even in Rotary, we do that tree plantation and all that. Greenery is one of the things, environment is one of the things that we look after. So this is under the aegis of Rotary that we will be planting next week most probably. We have to get the plants from Ratnagiri side, Dapoli side and all that. There are huge nurseries over there. So we can get good plants from there.
Would be nice to tag along and...
Actually, I would have loved, if there were fruit trees over here.
Yeah.
About 25 years back, I had suggested that we plant fruit trees over here and then they laughed at me. I said, क्या कौन संभालेगा, सब लोग चोरी करेगा. बोला करने दो ना, तुम्हारा को क्या करना है. उसमें फ्रूट नहीं लगेगा तो तुमको कोई फ़ायदा है क्या? आई मीन द वे यू लुक एट इट,
हाँ
दे वांटेड नो 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 फ्रूट नहीं लगाना है, बहुत झगड़ा होएगा उसके लिए। और कैसा झगड़ा होएगा? कुछ झगड़ा नहीं होता है। सो इट डिपेंड्स हाउ यू लुक एट थिंग्स।
सही बात है, लेकिन अगर बिना पूछे भी लगा दे हम फ्रूट,
नहीं बिना पूछे नहीं, विद द म्यूनसिपलिटी परमिशन, म्यूनसिपल परमिशन के साथ ही करना होता है, बिकॉज द लैंड एलोकेटेड और अलॉटेड बाय देम विच इज़ देयर, सपोज देयर इज समथिंग बिलो एंड वी डिग इट आउट and we spoil that thing, then it's not right. We don't know where wires are going, we don't know where cables are going, we don't know where the gas pipe is going. There's so many things today. So we have to ask permissions.
मैंने बाहर अमेरिका में या किधर तो देखा है कुछ लोग गुरिल्ला गार्डनिंग करते हैं, दे विदाउट परमिशन विदाउट एनीथिंग दे विल गो, दे विल जस्ट प्लांट
There's huge land available over there. Now here if we go on the countryside, of course we can plant a lot of things, you know, then if it is no man's land, Rajesh, if it is somebody's, you know, you never know, it may be somebody's farm,
या
then it is a bit difficult thing.
could be
So you have to convince, we have to convince farmers. I did some projects, you know, in this Murbad area and Shahpur area. We dug up some, you know, ponds, you know, and rejuvenated them. Then we made some check dams and all. And alongside all that, we planted some fruit trees.
Oh, nice.
So that was, so that, you know, it is taken care of 12 years, 12 months of the year, because there's a water body besides it.
Correct.
So that was done. I mean, there are certain things that we keep doing. That's okay. It makes us happy. I mean, whether it grows or not, then that is the, when then the villagers started saying, हमको हमारे farm में लगाना है, लेके जाओ,
क्यों नहीं?
लगाओ. Why not? They'll take better care of it.
100%.
So that's how things happen. It's good. Our purpose is served. Their purpose is served. They get a good income. That's the way it is.
Good idea है fruit trees plant करना. I should definitely come. And,
Tree plantation is a beautiful thing. There are so many other things, so many things that we can do. You know, just going around. One of my friends, you know, he used to come for a walk over here, in this place, right this place. And every day in the morning, when we would walk, he would pick up those tamarind seeds. You know, these children have tamarind
Imli,
and imli, and they throw the seeds, and he would collect it. Okay, and collect it, and whenever he would travel by car anywhere, you know, by the side of the road, he would keep throwing. Hey, कोई तो पकड़ेगा, कोई इधर तो पकड़ लेगा. So that was one of his, you know, very beautiful gestures toward nature. ठीक है. So he was saying mango का ऐसा करना चाहिए, उसको सुखा के रखो, and that you should throw the seeds.
होगा तो होगा.
होगा तो 100 में से एक भी पकड़ लिया तो अपना काम तो हो गया ना. All you have to do is pick up those or keep the ones that you eat at home and keep it, throw it away. So looks at, I mean, I've never done that, but it's a good idea.
It is a good idea.
And there are so many topics we can go on talking. We can go on. I mean,
We can talk for a little more time, and then I'll leave you with your music. What were you listening to? What artist
I
were
was
you
listening to.
Yeah.
At the moment, I was listening to this. The best of OP Nayyar.
OP Nayyar. नहीं पता मुझे. Do you know OP Nayyar?
You might hear this song.
हाँ ये
शमी
सुना है
कपूर
मैंने.
सुना है?
हाँ.
The best. Then there is Devanand and all our time heroes and music directors. When we were young, we still love that music. You know, there was melody, there was a lot of things that we could understand the wordings. Nowadays, the whole problem is that we don't understand the wordings at times because they are overshadowed by the music, the heavy metal rather. They are overshadowed by that, so we can't understand unless and until we read. The kids understand it. I don't know how, but we don't.
I get what you're saying. आजकल भी है musicians जो बना रहे हैं ऐसा slow music.
Of course there are. There is that Arijit is there, then Kunal Ganjawala is there, and there are so many of them actually now. We hear every day in the evening. I put on those songs, and those small kids, they are singing on the TV, on Sony TV. Oh, it's I mean, fabulous show.
Which some singing show? You're
Yeah,
talking about?
yeah. And it's very beautiful. Young kids.
Hmm.
7 years, 8 years, 9 years, and up to 15, I think so. And the way they sing is so good. I mean, flawless singing, fabulous. It's a beautiful program. You should watch. It is there from 10 o'clock onwards normally, and now they are changing it to 9:30.
What is it called? The show?
Yeah, great. I think I forget the name actually.
It's on Sony
It's on Sony
at 10 o'clock.
at 10 o'clock.
I'll find it.
Yeah. So this is the children's. You'll have to search it. You'll get it.
We'll search it later. You can send it to me later.
No
We'll share
problem.
our number.
No problem about
Do you
that.
also sing?
Not much.
Not in front of people.
No, even in front of people, I'm not shy that way. But then it is not necessary that I may sing well.
Fair, fair.
That's the way. So this is not meant for this. It is not meant for
No,
broadcasting.
I won't ask you to sing.
It's not meant for broadcasting. But yes, I do. I mean, गुनगुनाना तो अच्छा लगता ही है.
हाँ, सही बात है.
It's always good. Though I don't play any musical instruments, that is something that I do miss having learnt.
Really?
हाँ, I do miss. I should have learnt. अभी भी सीख सकता
अभी
हूँ.
भी सीख सकते हो. हाँ.
देखेंगे कोई क्लास वास ज्वाइन करेंगे अभी.
पियानो अच्छा रहा. थोड़ा आसान हो जाएगा.
Piano, yeah, maybe that electric piano that is there nowadays.
गिटार में क्या उंगलियां दुख जाती है? पियानो
नहीं, गिटार में is good. Harmonium is good.
Harmonium.
Mouth organ is good.
Yeah.
I mean, harmonica or the flute,
Yes.
they're good for the breath.
Yeah.
So those kind of instruments are also very, very good. Thinking, कोई एक सीखूंगा अभी. One of them, mainly breath control type, because it is good for breathing at least. Nowadays we feel breathless very soon.
You're right.
So it's better to get some lung power.
Air quality has also थोड़ा सा gone down.
That's okay. I mean, that is part of the life. We have created it, so we have to bear it. Nobody else is responsible for it. We have done it. At least our generation has done it the most. We have harmed it the most, right?
I don't know what my generation is going to do.
No, that is why we realize now, and that is how we're talking about tree plantation and
Correct.
other things and water bodies. Creating water bodies is another very high priority thing. So these are 2-3 things that we can do for the environment. And they're very helpful. बाकी तो चलता है. Life is beautiful. Live it the way. Eat, drink, be merry.
Have you retired? Are you still working?
Sort of retired. I was working regularly, going to office. Then COVID happened. 2 years I was at home, not allowed to go out. And my sons, they have taken over the business. Okay. So now, then they said, why don't you just relax and enjoy yourself? Why you want to do this? Go travel a little, enjoy yourself, learn something, do something. I go once in a while to the office, but I'm not on a regular basis. I don't take up anything.
Understood.
I do go, I'm abreast of what is happening.
Nice.
But that is just for the sake of it.
Understood.
Nothing to do. I don't do anything. They do everything now.
You liked working when you were working?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, 50 years I went to office, and then
50
after that,
years you went to office. Wow.
yeah, without a break, yeah. I mean, those were the days when taking a holiday was taboo. Oh, no. We don't want. So we used to think that way, like you may be thinking now.
Hustle culture.
Hustle culture, yeah. We have to go that way. But now things have changed. Now people know how to relax. They will take their kids out for good holidays, short holidays, give them quality time. We people missed that a little bit. We people missed that.
Really?
काम है. It was very different type of atmosphere. Going out was अभी भी basically going out is going out for a dinner or something. That's about it. Going out to eat. घर में भी खाओ, बाहर भी जाके खाओ. यही रह गया है.
अभी भी मुझे लगता है बहुत मतलब काम तो हर जगह ही चल रहा है.
No, that is okay. I mean, up to some extent, work while you work and play while you play. That is the way to be happy. I say that is a very old saying. Okay, and that is applicable even today.
Understood.
But we have to give quality time to our family and kids. That is something we did not give at that age. Not as much as we should have, or we could have also. Giving priorities to डिफरेंट थिंग्स. इट्स रेनिंग.
अंदर चलें
चलेंगे
उसके
बस.
अंदर बैठे
हो गया. और
वो
क्या
भी कर सकते हैं.
बात करना है?
नहीं,
यू वांट टू टॉक
चलेगा.
समथिंग?
जैसी आपकी मर्जी में. तो
मेरा तो
अंदर
कुछ नहीं है,
continue
हम
कर
तो
सकता
टाइम
हूँ.
पास करते रहते हैं.
एक मिनट,
हमारा
एक
क्या?
आप अंदर चले जाओ, बारिश से बच के हम भी आते हैं.
हाँ, अभी तो बैठना ही है, थोड़ी देर बैठ.
जी. ये क्या रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रहा है? पॉज किया, बंद किया?
नहीं अभी तक चालू ही है
अच्छा, चलो.
रिकॉर्डिंग.
ओके, ओके.